Uh-oh. We were supposed to have a fire drill at school today, so I guess this makes up for it.
Island, Virginia, 20 to 40 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Toronto Island to Cape Charles, Lake Virginia, out 20 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. At 3:49 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Crisfield to Onencock Inlet to the south, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Onencock Inlet, Crisfield, Lower Bernard Island, and Watt Island around 3:55 p.m. Quinby Inlet and Toronto Island around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Assateague Beach and Wachapreed Inlet around 4:30 p.m. Chincoteague Bay and Wachapreed Reef around 4:35 p.m. Chincoteague, Blackfish Reef, and Bone Wreck around 4:40 p.m. African Queen Wreck around 5:10 p.m. Jackpot Reef around 5:20 p.m. Parking lot around 5:30 p.m.
Parking lot makes a return!
Harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Oh, doubleheader! No way. This one didn't go off for some reason. I don't know why the recon didn't go off.
The National Weather Service
Probably because it was still turning off.
thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in southeastern Maryland, southern Worcester County in southeastern Maryland, northern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 4:45 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Lasonia, or 18 miles southwest of Pocomoke City, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Parksby around 4 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Horntown, Tollwood, Knoxville, Biotown, Greenbackville, Saxes, Wallops Island, Temperanceville, Miltonia, and Shelltown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling
Triple header.
899.
Actually, I doubt we're going to get a triple header, but that would be pretty cool.
National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield. VA. The 3 p.m. area weather observation.
No triple header.